Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you all about an amazing journal. So its name is JAGRUK journal and it's an Indian journal company, you can say. So you have to just search JAGRUK journal, and after that you have to click on the first link, and after that you will see this interface, and it is so classic, so beautiful. I just love it. And you can see that it has so many features like daily page and fitness tracker. There are like so many more things like that. Okay, so when we comes to its specifications, you can see that it has hard matte finish cover, and it has like 80 GSM paper quality, which is very high, and it has multicolor scheme, and it has around total 472 pages, which are a lot. And yeah, if you scroll down a little bit, then you can even see the reviews and frequently asked questions. So if you have any doubts, then you can just see it over there. So now I'm going to tell you all how can you place an order with my discount coupon. Okay, so when we come back to the top over here, you can see two options. One is buy now and the another one is watch video. So if you have any doubt, you can just watch that video, but if you want to purchase that, just click on the buy now option. Over here you can just see its price, and you can even select the quantity, and you can even see the other pictures of this journal. Okay, so if you want to buy it, then just click on buy now option, and after that you'll see this interface, and over here you have to just add all your details. And if you want rupees 50 discount, then just enter my promo code, which is Purnima50. And if you're thinking why Purnima, then I want to tell you my name is Purnima, and I know it is old fashioned, so yeah, I can't do anything about that. So just add Purnima50 on that promo code area, and after that you'll get rupees 50 discount. And now let's jump to our video and review this journal. Let's go. Okay, so far you can see that how this journal looks, and I am really in love with this. Like it looks so premium, it is so thick, and it is heavy as well. So yeah, even though I'm new to journal, but I'm really in love with this. I will really recommend you to buy this, and after that don't forget to tell me how was your experience with this. So yeah, now let me tell you all about this journal a little bit more, like about its pages, about its features, and about its theme. So yeah, okay, so when we open this journal, we got this page, and on that it is written as this belongs to, and of course I'm going to write my name, which is Purnima. And I want to tell you all that I'm going to just write my name on this right now, like in this video, because I really want to start journaling from 2022, and of course it starts from 1 Jan 2022. So that's why I'm going to tell you about it details. I'm not going to write anything in it. I hope you all understand what I'm saying. Okay, so after that page, we got these kind of pages which are related to finance and all those stuff. And personally, these pages are not for me because I'm just class 12 student. Right now, I have no profession and I have no kids. I have nothing. So yeah, those pages are not for me. After that, here we got 2022 calendar. Here we have the list of holidays, one of my favorite page. And here we got goals of 2022. So when a month start, we got these kind of pages. Like right now January is going to start, so we got that January page, and over here we have that January planner, and I am so excited to start this planner, like so excited. So yeah, and after that planner we got these kind of things like healthy habits to start, height, weight, which I don't know right now about my height and about my weight. I have to check that. And after that, when a new day starts, we got to see these kind of pages. And on these kind of pages, they asked us new questions. Like a new day, they asked a different question. They are going to tell us different joke, and they are going to tell us different fact every new day. So yeah, and this is one of the best feature I love about this journal. And if we talk about its color scheme, we got 4 beautiful pastel colors which are blue, pink, green and purple, or you can say violet. And at the end of this journal, we got these kind of pages which are movie and TV shows. And I'm damn sure that this page is going to fill with so many K-dramas and anime names. Like I'm damn sure. And we got bucket list, we got notes, we got so many different kind of pages. So yeah, that's all about this journal. And I will definitely recommend you to purchase this. And if you don't like this now, then just unsubscribe my channel. Well, this is too much. But yeah, you will really love this. So yeah, that's all about today's video. You will get every single information about this journal in the description box. Go and purchase it right now, and I love you. Bye.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.